For me, it was pretty clear that I wanted to go to the United States and do my study abroad here. And it's not that easy for a law student to go to the United States and do study abroad because, as you know, it's a graduate program here, and you usually have to have an undergraduate degree for that. So it was kind of difficult to find a university that's going to allow me to take law classes, even though I don't have a bachelor's degree yet.
Around the world, students study law mostly at the undergraduate level. In the US, it's really different because here law is a professional degree. You go to college or university first, get your degree, and then you go to law school after that. So to find an exchange program as an undergraduate law student in another country, but to be able to come here in the United States to do it is really unique. And MSU is one of the only places in the country where you can do that. So we have students from all over the world who come here as undergraduate law students and get to have this very rich law school experience in the US that they wouldn't be able to get anywhere else.
And so I was really grateful that MSU allows me to take law classes, and that's pretty much the main reason I got here. And when I found out that MSU allows me to take law classes, I looked at the university and was really impressed. And yeah, I still really like MSU.
Here in the US, an undergraduate law student from another country would need to go into, let's say, political science or sociology or the social sciences. The law college here, we're bringing those undergraduate law students from abroad and putting them into a professional program so that they're truly studying law here on campus the way that an American student would.
I mean, the world is more and more connected. Globalization affects all countries, and it's hard to imagine that I'm going to practice law back in Germany and I'm only going to deal with German law or only going to deal with German clients, companies, whoever. So it's always good to understand different legal systems, and I think the American legal system is definitely one of the most important in the world, and it's only going to help me to know about that.
I will be able to know how to work in a common law country and a civil law country. So I'll be able to attack an issue, or whatever you want to say it, both from a civil law perspective and a common law perspective. So.
The world is so increasingly interconnected. Any business deal that companies do is going to involve someone at some part of the chain who's in another country and deals with a different kind of law. So to have a background in civil law and common law, or common law and Sharia law, to be able to mix those backgrounds and understand what makes the other system tick, that's going to help these students become a lot more successful in their careers.